Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to upgrade to Google Analytics 4 from Universal Analytics. If you are using Universal Analytics, it's time for you to upgrade it to Google Analytics 4 because Universal Analytics will stop working soon and you will have to use Analytics 4. Here I am already logging in Universal Analytics. Click on Admin. Here you have two options to upgrade. Either you can create new property for Google Analytics 4 or you can set up GA4 property by clicking here. But before doing that, I would make it clear that Universal Analytics and GA4 are two completely different platforms, and after upgrading Universal Analytics to GA4, your Universal Analytics data will remain in Universal Analytics as it is and will keep tracking as long as Universal Analytics will work. And Google Analytics 4 data will available in your new property of Google Analytics 4. So now let's come to the point that which method should you use. Either you can create a new property or you can just click here and create a new G4 account. I would recommend to create new property. I clicked on it and name it. I'm naming it demo, and here you can see country and time zone, currency. You can select your targeted country. Selecting India. Click on next. You can see these options here: category, business size, and the thing that you want to measure in this Google Analytics property. So I would suggest to select the relevant category of your business, and I am selecting here internet and telecom, and you can select whatever theme of your website. You can select that, and these are the optional things. You can select or leave it as it is. Click on create. So here you can see three options: web, Android app, and iOS. Usually we work with websites, so we will select the platform web. Click on it and enter the website name. Here I am entering my demo website URL, and you can, if your website have SSL, then you should keep it. Otherwise, you should select this one. As my website have HTTPS, so I am selecting it and name the website demo website. You can name whatever you want and click on create stream. There are several ways to install GA4 in your website. You can install GA4 by adding measurement ID, this ID, and you can add G tag in your website head. Let's see first G tag. Click on this tag instructions, or you can scroll down and click here view tag instructions. Here you can see this option. If you are using any of this website builder, then you just need to click on it and follow the instruction of installing G tag. And if you want to install it manually, then click on it and copy entire code and add it in the head section of website. Once you add that code on your website, and your GA property will start recording traffic and events. Now let's see another method, and I think that is the best method. If you use Google Tag Manager, or if you just have a basic knowledge of Google Tag Manager, then you can use it. You will not need to wait for developer to install Gtag on your head section of website. Now let's come to Google Tag Manager. I have already installed Google Tag Manager in my website, and here I am already logged in Google Tag Manager. Go to tag. Now click on new and select Google Analytics GA4 configuration and copy this measurement ID from here and paste it to here. Name the tag GA4. I am naming GA4. You can name whatever you want and find this tag on all pages. Select all pages and save it. Now click on preview button. you can see Tag Assistant preview mode loaded. Click on continue here and you can see GA4 configuration fired successfully. So it means GA4 is working fine. Now let's come to Google Analytics 4 and click on debug view. Now here you can see that some event is getting fired. So it means it is working fine. Once you install GA4, to see demographic report, you will need to enable demographic report to see demographic data. And to do it, click on admin section. Click on data settings. Click on data collection. And click here, get started. Continue, activate. So this is how you can enable demographic reporting after installing GA4 property. Now let's come to data retention. Click here. Here you can see 2 month and 14 month. You can select 14 month and click on save. So this is how you can upgrade to GA4 property and do some important changes to track data. This is the beginning. There is a lot more need to do after installing GA4. Thanks for watching.